Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of our 2024 Yamaha 255X. As you can see, so this boat has the slate blue interior, and then we have the tan sea decking with the chocolate vinyl interior. Very good looking boat with that slate with the chocolate. Big open bow, has filler cushions that could go in here because it is Yamaha, so you can have this all filled up, big playpen and a cushion there and there. Turn around here for you. It's got the nice big walk-through, in-floor storage, big cockpit area, big comfortable captain's chair, storage under here. It's got all the nice detailing. Because this is the 255X, it has the drive controls, which I'll show you. Adjustable rear lounge seats, could go forward and back. Nice area in the back to hang out on. A little table that pops up there off the backrest, storage, cooler. And then over here at the helm, you got the big Connect screen. You got the drive controls, so forward and back on the steering wheel. Makes it so easy to use this boat and control it. Phone charger. This has the twin supercharged motors, so unbelievable power on this boat. Plenty for wakeboarding, surfing, because it has the ballast on it, because it is the X series. The really cool bifold tower, wakeboard racks, wet sound speakers and sound bar up here. Awesome boat. So come and check out this 255X Yamaha. Beautiful boat. Great for all water sports for your family. Lots of fun. We're going to have it here at the store at Greenville. We're going to put it up on our website, and then we'll have you can give us a call at MarineMax, and the number is 864-236-9005. Thank you once again. 255X Yamaha.